Hi, my name is Steve Blumpkin. I'm one of the co-owners of Outrageous Rugs here in San Diego. And I learned of the Cleanology people through a situation that happened at my home. My wife loves to have our house in beautiful order. And my friends came over when she was out of town about 3 weeks ago. And let me tell you something, the house was certainly not in the order that she likes to maintain it. So I went to the internet and I searched for cleaning and cleaning with green agents, and the Cleanology people came up. Well, after that I started to check out their Yelps, and after seeing a lot of very quality comments, I figured, you know what, I can trust these people in my home, and most important, the fact that they're using green agents that are not going to leave chemical residues and bad smells. I was thrilled with that idea. Anyways, we followed through. They came over to the house. They were courteous, they were trustworthy. They did a fantastic job, and most important, when my wife came back, she goes, "Boy, the house is really looking good. You did a good job, Steve."